What do you have in your mouth now, Keith?
He's got some Oreos in there still.
One at a time, honey.
Did he put one in?
No. He's got two of them in his hand. There he goes. You gotta chew on it.
Mmm.
Is it yummy?
Oh boy. Oh, he's gonna blow.
Don't make him laugh, he's gonna choke.
But you can see it. It's right in front. His face.
What's in your mouth now, Keith?
Oh my god. Ta-da. Hey, how is it? Ooh, little shimmy.
Is it yummy? Yummy?
Did he eat it? Naoki. Oh, he's still chewing it.
On it.
Oh yeah, he's chewing it up.
Good job.
He's using his two little teeth. You wanna play with the camera?